Brethren, let us look back and recall what Freemasonry taught us. Freemasonry is a system of morality, veiled in allegory and illustrated by symbols. Freemasonry, making good men better. Freemasonry is a character builder. Yan po ang mga salitang narinig ko nung ako ay pumatok sa pintuan ng Masonry. Always heard the word humility, a modest or low view of one's own importance or pagiging humble po. Yan daw po ang katangian para ikaw ay tanggapin bilang isang petitioner, pumasa sa balloting at maging Mason. And from one of the speeches of our most worshipful Roland C. Paulino, let's go back to basics, sabi nga po ng ating Grandmaster. Brethren, we are bound by our obligations and teachings in our craft. We are to strictly abide by all the laws, rules, and regulations appertaining to Freemasonry and to the lodge over which we may become a member, and will maintain and support the Constitution and ethics of the Grand Lodge.
By their installation today, you are assured that new blood, new viewpoints, and a redistribution of responsibilities and duties have been carried on to give service to your brethren and fellow men. The torch of authority and leadership was lighted with the consecration of your lands and the installation of your master. And that same torch of light from the east has been handed from authorized hands to authorized hands, so that your lands and the authority of your officers lives from generations to generations.
May the kindness of brotherly love, affection distinguish your conduct as man and as Mason within your peaceful walls. May your children celebrate the joy and gratitude of this annual occurrence of this auspicious ceremony.